Okay, let's look at the quiz Solving Multi-Step Equations. This was the second quiz from the week of April 13th to 17th in remote learning. Let's look at question 7. We had quite a long problem. 9d minus 4d minus 2d plus 8 is equal to negative 3d. Notice that we have some like terms here. That's what we want to take care of first. We've got 9d minus 4d minus 2d, all on the same side. So if I have 9d's and I take away 4d's, and then I take away 2 more d's, 9 minus 4 is 5, and then 5 minus 2 is 3d. So after combining like terms, I have the problem 3d plus 8 is equal to negative 3d. This is an interesting problem. So notice I have 3d on both sides, but they have different signs. I need to get my d's together. I already have 8 over here, so I'm going to leave it there and take care of this 3d by subtracting 3d from both sides. Now notice here I have negative 3 minus 3. If I'm looking at a number line and I'm at negative 3, I move to the left, negative 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 3 is negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. So I have 8 is equal to negative 6 times d. I undo multiplication with division. Negative 8 divided by 6 is equal to d. And negative 8 divided by 6 reduces to negative 4/3 for our final answer. The next question I want to look at is number 10, finding the error in the student's work. When we're looking at finding error problems, we want to look at how we would solve the equation ourselves. I have the equation 3 times x minus 5 is equal to 27. Well, notice I have a 3 outside parentheses, so I need to distribute first. 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times negative 5 is minus 15. Notice I do not have this over here, which means my first line is the line with the error because they didn't take care of the parentheses first. What they did do was they added 5 to both sides to start, but we can't do that until we distribute.